This 1989 Prevost Country Coach XLII is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Prevost is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a tan interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, TV, refrigerator, water heater, auxiliary battery, microwave, air conditioning, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, and 136 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 1989 Prevost Country Coach XLII is built on a Prevost chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.